Today we are going to do another unboxing at Joy of Life. So this is a omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone with 20 feet audio cable from Boya. So this is the box. The packaging is pretty nice. You have the Boya item displayed on the top, compatible with these devices. It includes iPad, camera, laptop, PC, everything. Here on the sides, you don't have much. Lavalier microphone, that's it. And it says that it's for these devices, so it includes a smartphone, camcorder, and things like that. On the back side, it's you have this clip-on mic. What are the features? So clip-on mic for smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise. I'm not sure about that part though. That's the primary reason why I bought it, to be honest. Include lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, and one by 4-inch adapter, and few other details. Okay, there is nothing mentioned about, yeah, the price is says 1995, though I bought it for around 650 from Amazon. I'll share the link in the description. Yeah, so let's open it. So again, it's also not in a sealed box. It's already opened. There is no seal to it. Let me just open it. The packaging is nice, pretty decent packaging, and there is a pouch inside it as I can see. So let's take it out. So everything is included in the pouch. So there is a user manual to it from Boya, wherein it has all the instructions, I guess, required. Package contents, items and main features, item descriptions, features, using the microphone, all the directions. I think that won't be required. It should be plug and play mostly. So let's not go into this. Let's keep it by the side and let's see. So there is a Chinese product as well. So there is a Shenzhen GS Photo Industrial Limited. Some warranty card is there, and some details in Chinese. So yeah, so it comes with a pouch. Feels okay, nothing great, but yeah, it's good to have a cover though. It has the logo embossed on it, and there are a couple of ways you can just tighten it and use it like a bag. Quite handy for carrying it or putting it inside your backpack or bag. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So here is the mic mainly. There is a silica gel inside it. I think nothing else. Yeah, that's nothing else inside it. The bag only. So let it be here. So the wire, as you see, is pretty big. Band as well, wherein you can just put it in to keep it secure. And it's pretty long, as you can see over here. It's pretty long. It will be around 20 feet. I don't need that long, so I won't open it fully. So here you have the controller, wherein you have the cameras, off smartphone, and on button over here. There is a clip at the back of this. The mic is here. Okay. So there is a small pouch as well. So let's just quickly open it and check. So okay, I have a battery over here. The battery that is included with it, it's in a sealed packet like this. You have an adapter if you wanted to change it from 3.5 mm jack to a bigger jack. So you have that option as well. And what else you got? You got some extra clips that you might need. So there is a mic holder. I guess it's not the extra clip, but it's the mic holder. So it's the main holder for the mic. So let's see how it goes inside this. Yes, this is the actual mic holder. And then you have the top cap for the mic. So you can just put that in. So it will look like this somewhat. Let me get some white background for you. So it will look something like this. This will be clipped to your t-shirt or anyway you want to put that. Okay, so need to check where the battery goes in. So this I guess will be required. So it is the power pack, provides power for the microphone for use with cameras and other devices requiring a powered mic. Camera setting, turn the power on the microphone for use with the cameras. So if you're using it with the cameras, then only you can put it that mode. Otherwise, you can just put it to smartphone mode and yeah, directly use it. So you see this part of the device, this can be opened. You can just twist it to open the device, and once you open it, you have the space to provide the battery. So you can use the battery provided with the pack inside this when you're using it with camera or camcorders. So what I'll do is I'll just open a little bit of the wire and see how's the quality. So we'll record some sound using this and see how it goes. So this remaining portion, what I'll do is I'll clip it on and we'll see if I require more. I'm going to open that. So currently what I use is a Jabra headphone which has a amazing cancellation, but it's very costly and it's used for generally um, uh, video calling purposes because I don't need the headphone all the time. So I just wanted to give a quick glimpse of that. So this is a really amazing product, and this is not what I intend to use for all the recordings because putting on a headphone all the time, even I don't feel very comfortable about it. So wanted to test this out, how it goes. So let's check it out. So I have plugged in this Boya headphone, and we are going to disable the current headphone that I'm using, and I'm going to use Boya instead of it. Just to mention that I am recording this video using OBS. So the sound that you're getting at the moment is through this Boya headset. So we have enabled noise cancellation as a filter to OBS plugin. So you are the better judge at this point. Also, I'm not sure how the sound will be. So there are a couple of things that I want to quickly share, and also wanted to share how it will be without it. So a couple of things to share over here. So as you can see, the sound is coming out of this Boya headphone. So I am just going to go over the filters and remove all the filters. This is the actual sound, which is you can say the vanilla sound without using any filters. Now my fan is running. I don't know it is catching the sound of the fan or not. Though I don't have a lot of background noise, I have a bare minimum background noise, and it is not very close to my mouth either. So I am now bringing it closer to my mouth, and now we are going to enable the noise cancellation and see how the noise suppression takes care. So now I have applied the noise cancellation. It will filter out some of the noise, and at this point even I am not sure how it sounds. So I will leave it up to you guys to decide how it is, and let me change over to the normal Jabra headset and continue the video. Okay, so I have unplugged this Boya headphone, and even I don't know at this point of time how the sound will be. We'll definitely get to know once we are done with the recording of this video. But before that, I wanted to give you a quick glimpse of the product that I have purchased. So this is the product that I have purchased this morning. It has been delivered. I have ordered it last night and got it delivered by this morning, which was amazing in part of Amazon to deliver it so fast. I'll share the link in the description. So this is the product all about, and yeah, as you can see the details over here, it's omnidirectional, black color, connector jack is there. So all the item that mentioned over here is pretty much provided along with the microphone. Just this part is yet to be tested. I will add my review to it down the line as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it from this video. Do let me know, do like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day. Bye bye. See you guys.